Until I seen him.
It's just like, all right, bro, I'll give you one more piece. Let's see if you know.
What are you doing, you silly thing? What are you doing? I see you. I see you, little one. Pretty bird. Where's pretty bird? Oh, pretty bird. Yeah. They're Polish chickens. Hi, how come nobody pets the chickens? I'll pet you. I'll pet you, Poke. Oh, you getting me? Oh, they're getting me. Oh, you got food. Ain't that sneaky?
Why is your food on the outside?
Chicken chick.
You gonna stop making that noise now? Hey? I know, that's why I said they're just random chickens. I didn't let them loose.
Hello.
And unless one of you guys did. I mean, that was open when we came in.
Hi. Hello.
What are you doing? You chilling? You doing okay? Hi. How you doing? Pretty bird. He's a pretty bird? He's a pretty bird. Oh, he's a pretty bird. He's a pretty bird. Well, hi, sweetie. Pretty pretties. I know you need one too. Get it. There you got it.